You have like 13 bruises in like 17 seconds. I swear to God. What the fuck? I just threw up and swallowed this shit and stopped myself and continued throwing up. Dog! And that shit was fucking horrible. I literally, that shit was dog, drain. Drain. I knew that shit was so nasty, Mario. I told you. You got me on record. I thought it was a picture, but it's on video. I had 17 bruises before I leave here. Oh my God. Dog, do you realize what I just did? Y'all didn't feel the whole action. Dog. I didn't sneeze. I threw up and swallowed the rest of it. Dog. That's just happened so loud. I threw up and swallowed the rest of it. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna let you out. Oh my God.
That nigga couldn't make it.
Dog.
I gotta see.
I was finna get up and go to the bathroom so slick. And then I had to sneeze and the shit came out. And I swallowed the rest of it. I swear to God, I sneezed, threw up, and swallowed the rest of it. Like the shit didn't even happen. I swear to God, my stomach is so fine right now.
These motherfuckers are on the floor.
I thought it's not. What the fuck?
Dog,
Oh shit!
dog, do you realize what I just did?
Oh shit! Nigga,
I realized. Break your phone, by the way.
I have 2 minutes and 30 seconds of video of this.
Oh shit!
Oh my God. Dog.
Oh shit!
Have you ever heard of that before?
This nigga Mario, dog.
Dog, I don't understand it myself. I should not be right here right now.
You should be in the bathroom.
Talking about me while I'm in the bathroom.
You gotta look at your nose.
I feel it. Damn it.
All the nutrients was together.
The nigga said all the nutrients was together.
Oh my God. Hey Mario, look at me. Hey, look at his nose. Look at his nose.
Man,
Please.
I'm sorry, Dre, man, but man, I couldn't do that shit.
Hey, look at his nose. He's got boogers running down his nose.
Oh man, go to the bathroom, man.
Oh
man.
Go to the bathroom, nigga.
Oh shit, nigga!
Y'all know how gross I feel right now. I threw up and swallowed the rest of it. What the fuck?
Go to the bathroom, nigga.
I don't feel like I need to throw up no more. That's the
Go
point.
clean up.
What?
Clean yourself up.
I'm gonna in a minute.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Candace, you will receive damage. The longer you keep recording.
Like, bitch, I'm not staying in here.
Like, your whole thigh is vulnerable right now.
Ow! That was my foot.
My point exactly.
Hey, he just punched my foot.
The non-violence policy does not apply to me.
Nah, as Martin Luther King said. Yeah, nah.
You call me Malcolm X. Think about any